Hey guys, Nathan here with NathanSoliday.com, and today I wanted to show you a short video on how to find out if your area qualifies for the USDA no money down home loan that's maybe available to you. So the USDA program is an awesome, underused, in my opinion, underused loan program that is basically a no money down program. It does not require 5% down payment or 3.5% down payment or even a 20% down payment. It is a zero down home loan program, and it works in certain areas throughout the United States. This program is one that not a lot of people are familiar with, so I wanted to kind of put out this video just so you can kind of see if your area is one that qualifies for this program. Now, the neat thing about this program is it'll go down to credit scores as low as 600 in some cases. So in some cases, if your credit score is a little on the lower side, you could still possibly qualify for a no money down program. Now, what's nice about this is you may be renting a home right now or trying to find a house to buy on contract and that type of thing because you don't think that you have the down payment to qualify. But if you're located in one of these areas, it's very possible that you could qualify for this zero down program. Now, I've been in the mortgage business for almost 20 years, and we've helped the majority of our home buyers that we work with have went with the USDA program because of the low down payment. The no down payment. And the other thing along with that is it does have a little bit of mortgage insurance, but it's not as much as a FHA loan would have or a conventional loan would have in most cases. So it's definitely a good option when you're thinking about buying a house. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you. We're on the website now for USDA, and you can find the link to this website in the description of the video. I'll have a link for you, so you can just go straight to that and check it out. But I just kind of want to show you what you would see when you get to the website. So it's a USDA property eligibility map. And you'll come here and basically it'll take you to this page and you'll just click the accept button. And really, it's as easy as putting in the address of the property that you're wanting to buy. Now, if you don't have a house in mind yet, you can use a specific address for a property nearby, maybe nearby a neighborhood that you want to live in or something like that. But it does, to get an accurate reading, it does need to have an accurate, address, mailing address on there, so that it'll take you to the area that you want to be in. So you can see here it's got the map of the United States up here. Now, we're located in Indiana, but we do loans in Kentucky, Tennessee, Illinois, Georgia, Alabama, Florida, California, Arizona, a lot of different areas that we do. But I'm just going to use our Indiana office address just as an example here. And I'm going to type my address in. If you guys want to send us a Christmas card, that would be great. But 205 North Main, and I just put in our city, state, and zip code. And then all you have to do is just hit the go button. And it's going to zoom right into to the town. Now you can see where we're located at. We are in an eligible area. And I'm going to zoom out a little to show you what an area that is not eligible would look like. So just down the road from us is the Louisville, Kentucky area. It's about 35 miles away or so, something like that. And you can see in this area that's kind of got this tan shaded area that these areas are not included in the USDA program. So if you're wanting to buy a house in just north of Louisville in the Clarksville, Jeffersonville area, it would not qualify there. But if you zoom in just a little bit, you can see there's just a little bit of an area here near the East End Bridge to where it would qualify. Okay. And then if you kind of zoom back out, you can see that all the surrounding areas around Louisville, pretty well qualify until you get over into Lexington, up around Cincinnati, a little bit in Bloomington, Indianapolis, but basically the whole state of Indiana qualifies. Now, if you look in your state, if you kind of zoom out just a little bit, you'll see that there's not a lot of tan areas that are here. So, for example, you can see that mainly it's just the cities and the surrounding suburbs of like St. Louis, Fort Wayne. You can't, with this one here, you can't see part of the Ohio area, but like part of Nashville, or all of Nashville doesn't qualify, but almost the rest of Tennessee does. Most of Kentucky does. Even in Florida, if you go down to the Florida area, now I know some of these areas aren't as populated as others, but you can see the majority of the state could qualify for a USDA loan when you look at that. So you can see some tan areas there. I just want to kind of go over to the West Coast and see on the California side what it looks like. And again, you can see, I know some of these areas are mountain regions and that type thing, but you can see the city areas are not, but there may be an opportunity for you to be able to buy a home in some of these areas as long as it stays under the USDA loan limit. So there's some other qualifications too, but some things to think about. Now, one thing with USDA, you may have a good area, but maybe your income is a little too much to qualify for that loan. There's some other options that we have available that could allow you to buy with a little to no down payment. And we'd love to talk to you about that. So if you want to check out the links at the bottom of the page, the one that we have here is for the property eligibility. You're welcome to check that out. And then also you can take our free homebuyer quiz to see if you qualify in your area for not only this program or one very similar to it, but also we can see if we can get you in for, again, for the no down payment options and that type thing. So check out those two links. Feel free to do the quiz and we'll reach out to you soon to let you know what you qualify for. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'd love to help. All right. Well, thanks a lot and we'll talk to you soon.